Use the following method to ensure your lock is operating correctly. Open the door, pull down on the handles and release. Without touching the door handles, press the small round trigger above the main tongue, allowing it to fully extend. Without touching the door handles, use the key to engage the lock. For triple locks, the top and bottom strikers will also extend. Do this several times to feel how the lock should correctly engage without restriction. Close the door, and without touching the handles, repeat the process. If you do not feel the identical sensation of the lock, then you have a restriction. If you have a restriction, you must inspect the lock holes to find and clear the obstruction. Test and retest until the door locks with the same feel in both open and closed positions.